Hey guys, here is one more little visual trick to help you memorize those trig ratios. So let's say you're not very good at just memorizing them. I like to visualize my triangles. So in a 30, 60, 90, the shortest side is 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and then opposite from 60 is always square root 3. This ratio is always true. So let's say sine of 30 is 1/2. Cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. I can memorize this visual in my mind. Same thing with 45. The ratio of its sides are 1 to 1 to square root 2. Tangent of 45 is 1 over 1. So you can memorize by visualizing these triangles as well. Whatever works for you. So now here in example 1. I want to find the missing side lengths. Keep the answers in simplest radical form. So that's the most important part here. Simplest radical form. That means I don't want a decimal. I want it in simplest radical form, which is the way that we practiced previously in our simplifying radicals packet. So in part A, I see I have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, which means that these sides are equal to each other, isosceles. So x equals y. It doesn't matter which one I find. So let's say I look at this one and I look for x first. X is opposite and I have my hypotenuse. It doesn't matter what y is right now. I'm only looking for x. So what trig ratio can I set up? Sine of 45 equals opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 45, I memorize, is square root 2 over 2 equals x over 6. Cross multiply, 2x equals 6 square root 2. Divide by 2, x equals 3 square root 2, which means that y equals the same thing. So notice the step of memorizing my trig ratio for sine of 45 makes this problem a lot quicker. All right, let's move on to the next video to do the next 3 examples.